Pickle sandwiches have really become quite the big deal. In the tailgating world, most of the snack options tend to be heavy on carbs. So keto lovers are embracing the pickle sandwich. So today I want to show you how to create these tasty tailgating treats. Start with jumbo pickles available in your deli section. You can find hot or dill. Once strained, you'll want to split your pickles in half and remove the seeds with a spoon. I find these make a great relish for your hot dogs. Once you have removed the center section, I recommend allowing them to drain on a paper towel to remove excess moisture. For my Southern style clubs, I add a pimento cheese spread in one of the hollow sides of the pickle. The pimento cheese acts as a nice glue to hold on my shaved turkey, which I then top with a nice Genoa salami. Then I fill the other hollow side with lettuce and tomato slices, topped with Gouda cheese, and voila, a pickle sandwich. I then individually wrap them in cellophane for easy tailgating grab-and-go sandwiches. For more recipes, please visit www.genrondesigns.com.